We're in Walsall. This is Walsall Manor Hospital. It's a brand new build and we're in the fallow area on the first floor. On this site we've installed the Fast Trak system. That's the brackets and the straps ready to install the containment, which is trunking, basket and tray. Logistically, using the Fast Trak system's second to none for us. It's such a benefit. It comes in pre-packed with a handle, easy to carry, straight off the van, straight up to the area where you're working. Everything comes back colour coordinated. It's basically paint by numbers on site. So that helps us then speed the whole process up. It's a lot more beneficial.
The initial use of Gripple was introduced to us by Monarch, so we were happy to look at the Fast Trak system with Monarch, and I was quite amazed how quickly and easily that product went up in the air. From landing on site, it was so easy to store in one space, and then because we were developing off-site engineering solutions, so we're taking all these prefabricated floor modules off-site and reducing the massive amount of man hours on site. Gripple and OES came up with a solution where we could save even more man hours on site by using the Gripple wire to suspend the horizontal floor modules. If we're suspending it traditionally, it would have taken us possibly a week to get those modules up. But using the Gripple wires, having those pre-installed, we were able to have the modules delivered in the morning, and then a bank of 6 modules were installed complete by the afternoon. So it was, the time saving was immense really.
We've got fantastic relationships with Tilbury Douglas and Monarch Electrical. I've supported them through numerous site visits and presentations on site. With Fast Trak being so user-friendly, the guys haven't needed much support from ourselves. It's a case of they pick the product up, take it onto site and install it.
Considering it is my first time using it, it took a matter of a 5-minute spiel on how to use it, if that. It was really simple on how to use, and it's even easier to actually get on, like, hands-on with it. Practically, it's foolproof. I'd say moving the Fast Trak around is significantly easier than the threaded rod. It's like you can have tracks in one hand and brackets in the other. It's so much quicker and so much lighter. There's no need to do any cuts on, like you would with threaded rod. You don't have to cut the strut as it's already cut down to size for when you need it. It's just, the amount of time it saves is brilliant.
It's a massive driver, and I think it's a massive driver for every site, just to reduce those man hours, and not only reducing the man hours off site, it's reducing the potential for accidents or injuries. So we've showed the sample to our health and safety manager. He's taken that Fast Trak sample away, and he now sort of showcases it on every project he goes to, just to say that this is what Walsall Manor are doing. Are you aware this product's in the market? Because it can save you time on site, but the health and safety benefits are massive.
By using Gripple Fast Trak and wire-based solutions, the contractor is able to reduce its CO2 embodied carbon emissions. This is done by less transportation to site. So by using a pre-engineered solution, there is a lot less components, so therefore a lot less waste.
When the Fast Trak system comes, as it all comes pre-made, set to the distances that you require, you don't have any wastage on site, which obviously cuts down in the amount of skips that are being filled that have to go off to a landfill. It also cuts down on the delivery size. You know, with the traditional system, no matter how accurate you are, you're always going to have some kind of wastage which has been delivered as a weight, and then it gets taken away from site as a weight and as waste. Our experience of Gripple on this project and the project we did previous has been a positive, and we'll definitely be using it again in the future.